Alright guys, so I have this box here, kind of tore up, really tore up. So it's a mystery box from a company. I don't think I'm gonna say the company name. I don't really know. It's not a sponsored video. It's probably a company. I don't know. I might say the name. If I do, it'll be on screen here. If I don't, it's just a sneaker box that I bought from a company. I think it was $130 or something like that. I ordered it literally a month ago, like December 6th, I think I ordered it. Just got here today. It's beat the shit, honestly. Like I don't even know what's going on. You guys can see this right here. It's like, yeah, so anyways, I got this right here. I don't really know what to expect. 130 bucks, we'll see. I honestly don't really remember what was gonna be in it or anything. So yeah, I mean, ready to open it up. I have 2 more coming. I don't know where they're at. I don't know if they look like this box, but we'll see. You guys will probably see that in this video. Let's just hope it's something crazy, I guess. I really wanted to open this box like right when I got it, but I didn't. I waited on video so you guys can see what's in here with me. Okay, I'm seeing pink. I don't know what this is. I'm not a huge pink guy. You guys can see it right here. It's pink. Let's see. Okay, I don't want to look and see what that is, so I'm just going to take this out first. Gran Turismo hoodie. Don't know what this is. Is this Supreme packaging? I don't know. I'm going to open it. Hopefully I'm not messing myself up. Maybe ASSC. I don't know. I probably should have looked it up before opening it, but let's see what it is. Oh, yeah, it is ASSC. That's what I thought. Okay. Gran Turismo, ASSC. Not a huge pink guy. Maybe my girl will like it. I don't know. We'll see. Not really for me. Okay, that's one thing. Let's see what else is in here. I was hoping for a pair of shoes or something. Doesn't seem to be like that. The next thing we have is this. Oh, shit. Okay. Oh, fuck yeah. Okay, so I've really been wanting one of these ASSC's Porsche 911 collaborations like for such a long time. I was gonna buy one off eBay. Damn, let's go. And they're nice quality. This might be a little big on me, but I'm gonna wear it. Oh shit, it's the Porsche Neighborhood ASSC collaboration. That is fire. Actually, I don't even know if it's Porsche. It might be Neighborhood ASSC, but it has a turbo on it. Where's my phone? Let me see what collaboration this is. Oh, so the Gran Turismo, that pink is also the Porsche. Yeah, and it's a 911 on it, so it's definitely the Porsche. Okay, this is worth like 130 bucks. Damn, okay. So it's the Porsche Neighborhood ASSC, like I said. Really nice hoodie. I'm about to throw this on after this video. Fire. They're both Porsche ASSC. I honestly, guys, I've been wanting a Porsche GT4 like really bad. So I mean, maybe it's a sign. I don't know. We'll see. This is the last thing in the box. Nothing else. So we got the Playboy ASSC here. Yeah, I guess it's just ASSC box. Not bad. I mean, I'm pretty sure it's 130. I think I paid like, let me see. Paid $450 total, I believe. It's like 150 per box. This is a good value in my opinion. Something weird. Like I said, pink's not really my color. I don't know. Kind of cool. Might throw it on. I don't know. We'll see. I'm really excited about this one right here though. This is crazy nice. The turbo. Oh man. Okay guys, update. I pretty much got scammed. So I was thinking I'd get 3 separate boxes. It'd be 3 different things. So this is one box. And I was like, I wonder where the other ones are, right? Unfortunately, this was the whole box. This was 3 boxes. So I spent 150 bucks on every single box. Grand total $450. For 4 ASSC hoodies. Let's look at the value real quick. Hold on, I haven't done that. I don't think it was really worth it because I probably could have got these obviously for less than this price. So originally I was thinking this was one box. I was like, dang, I did pretty good here, right? But no, I can get one on eBay. I can get one for 120 right now. 120 bucks, literally the exact same thing. So I paid 150 bucks for something I could have got for 120. Sure, it's a mystery box. Thought it was gonna be a mystery box that had other goodies, you know, pretty good mystery box. I don't think it was at all. Looking up these other hoodies, 125, 100, $10 shipping, 110, okay, 110, $20 shipping. So like 130, exact same thing. I didn't get scammed. Obviously it's a mystery box. I didn't know what was gonna be in it. Very, very disappointed. Probably gonna stay away from Sneaker Flame mystery boxes in the future. Not throwing shade at them or anything, just very disappointed in what I got. I was expecting 3 different boxes or 3 different things in it, you know, could be something cool. I don't know, you know, okay, if it was one box, I would have been like, damn, this is a great box. You know, I got really good value out of it. Fortunately, not the case. Definitely gonna be staying away from Sneaker Flame mystery boxes, like I said. I don't know, let me know what you guys think down in the description below. I mean, I probably could have got all this stuff for 400 bucks, probably, maybe even less than that on eBay. It happens. Shit happens. Definitely staying away from them though. So hope you guys did enjoy this little unboxing. If you guys want to see more stuff like this, leave a comment down in the comment section below and let me know. Yeah. I feel like I do that transition every time, but I just don't really know what else to do, so hope you guys enjoy it every time. We just got to the mall. We have quite a few pairs of shoes. I don't really know how we're gonna get them in, but we're going to somehow, so yeah, it's a couple hours later. That's why it's getting dark now. Hi guys, we're gonna 10 toes. We got all the shoes inside. I didn't even think you guys saw it, but we tried to juggle like 14 pairs of shoes. It didn't work out, to say the least. But now we're consigning some stuff, picking up some cash, finish what's going on.
This is the end of side 1 of this record.
Honestly, guys, if you don't consign at like a local store, I would definitely suggest doing so. Because I just sold like brick size carbons for 350 bucks. Obviously it took what, 2 months to sell or something like that, but that's crazy. It was like size 9, it's going for 250 on StockX, selling me for 300. That's easy money. Yes sir, bro. It's go time, boys. It is go time. Just start refreshing 10 seconds before. Alright, it's go time. Like, it's real go time. It's 12:11. No, that's not it. Oh, yeah, it's up, it's up, it's up. Chicago, Chicago. I was pretty slow getting in the queue. I just woke up and I really don't know what's going on, so we'll have to see. It's probably gonna be a long queue. I don't think there's really any checkouts. Cyber's checking out. Wait, no they're not. No they're not. I haven't checked out one. Yeah, no one's checked out one. There must be a heavy queue. Oh, there's 2 colorways. Shit, can you check out both at once? Shit. Yeah, it brought me straight to the cart. Like, I got kicked out of the queue, I guess. I don't know what happened. This is weird, to say the least. You can only have one in your cart at the same time, I think. Because when I add one, the other one goes out of stock, or out of my cart. Yo, they're restocking 10.5, 9. If you got through queue, you can cop. I would go 8, 8.5, because that seemed to have the most stock. Why am I not through the queue yet, bro? Well, boys, this was an L, unfortunately. I'm still not through the queue. Spent 15 minutes. I'm so tired. I just woke up for this, so I don't know. I'll probably leave Prism up, but I don't know if I'll check out. Alright guys, that is pretty much going to be it for this vlog. I'm going to try to put a lot more effort into my vlogs, kind of like step up the quality in a sense. So if you guys have any suggestions or anything like that on how I should go about that, definitely be sure to leave a comment down in the comment section below. If you guys don't have anything, be sure to leave a like on this video. Follow my Instagram, my Twitter, my Snapchat, all that good stuff linked down in the description. On a side note guys, my Twitter got suspended, like my main Twitter, so I had to make a new account. So if you haven't followed my new account, that'll also be linked down in the description like I just said. So be sure to do that. If you guys have not checked out my sneaker reselling group, check out Saber.io. Links down in the description. Same goes for my new sneaker bot, Cloak AIO, and Omni Proxies. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. I'm UnlimitedCop, and I'm out.